Life. A happy, peaceful life. What is the secret of achieving it? A tough question. Not really. True joy and contentment comes from good health. Helping you achieve good physical, mental, and spiritual health is Pranic Healing.
If you're more calm, more peaceful, more happy, your relationships benefit. If you're tired and stressed and irritable, then the relationships get affected. It affects your performance at work. It affects, therefore, your job prospects. It affects your relationships with your colleagues, with your boss. So, literally, while it's easy to say that prana is something you use to heal, on another level, the quantity of prana that you have in your system has an impact in literally every aspect of your life.
In very simple words, pranic healing is the harnessing of the body's energy to heal it. The genesis of the term pranic healing lies in two words. The Sanskrit word prana, which means vital energy, and the other, healing.
What Master Choa has done is he has brought spirituality into science and science into spirituality. In the sense, he's brought both of them together, and he's given you a clear path or a clear way of why such things happen and how they happen.
A lot of things that earlier were going unexplained are now getting explained, maybe on a spiritual level, but yes, nonetheless they are getting explained.
The first step towards healing is cleaning the aura by removing negative and used up energies. Once that has been achieved, energizing techniques are used to improve the flow of energy. Once the aura is balanced, clean and strong, the health of the body gets improved. From a common cold to cancer, pranic healing has given a new lease on life to millions of people around the world.
It was just miraculous. It's really changed my life, whether it's professional, personal, relationships, any kind of issues. So it's totally a 360 approach for me.
Beautiful thing about pranic healing is that it gives you so much of tools and techniques to deal with everything almost in life.
I was a very negative person. Pranic healing has made me very positive, more cheerful, and generally lively.
Pranic healing finds validation also from medical fraternities. So always remember to take your medicines.
People take medicine for healing of the physical body. But what happens to the emotions or the thoughts that have created that disease? Once the mind and the emotions are healed, the body will heal and will stay healed, which is what healing is about. It's not about curing. It's about really bringing about health and wellness in a person, spiritually, mentally, emotionally and physically.
I actually suggest my patients to take up pranic healing in a sense, because sometimes what happens is, as we're doing some procedures on the patients, there are a lot of times like extractions and root canal treatments, etc., wherein there's a lot of bleeding that occurs. I do the protocol on them, and they can see the immediate difference wherein the blood actually stops in a very shorter span of time. So then there are some patients who are interested to take up the courses.
Pranic healing is a bridge to spirituality, to Arhatic Yoga. The process of Arhatic Yoga is based on 5 pillars, and one of them is character building. The entire philosophy of pranic healing revolves around 5 virtues of life, which are loving kindness and non-injury, generosity and non-stealing, honesty and non-lying, industriousness and non-laziness, moderation and non-excessiveness. We believe true healing lies in the healing of the body, mind and soul. Once you embrace spirituality and reach out to the higher soul, you can find true peace, contentment and good health.
Doing pranic healing, our lives changed for the better. It got more enriched, more purposeful, and generally life as a whole has become so beautiful.
I always believe that there's something spiritual about all of us, everything. And I think pranic healing has verified that for me. It has also helped me create a positive thinking. It has also helped me learn how to deal with situations in the workplace in a much better manner.
The wonders of pranic healing are not limited to physical pain or diseases. It enriches all aspects of your life. If you are having relationship problems, or feel like a failure at work, or are addicted to smoking or alcohol, or any other kinds of addiction, if you have a child suffering from intellectual disability, there is help for you in the form of pranic healing.
Doctors suspected multiple sclerosis in my reports, and I was healed by pranic healing. And today if I'm alive because of pranic healing. It's a gift to me by God and must.
My wife, when she was pregnant, she developed such severe complications, and the doctor had given up hope, and they said the baby was aborting. And then we applied pranic healing, and after pranic healing, of 2 days of pranic healing, when my wife was obviously in intensive care, again the ultrasound was done. The doctors were amazed, and they're like, we've seen miracles in our life, but never like this. Everything is back to normal. And the doctors named my child the miracle baby.
It can turn your life around 360 degrees. You just have to embrace the phenomenon.
So the only thing the patient needs to do is have faith and be receptive. The work is done by the healer. So you can just sit back and relax.
We have a lot of practitioners, and all these centers train, teach, heal and help people come together to practice the teachings.
The good thing is that pranic healing is globalized and standardized. It's a global school, so we are in almost 120 countries all over the world, covering 6 continents. 7th one is Antarctica, so we definitely cannot teach the penguins. So we are covering the entire world.
To become a proficient pranic healer, one needs to do these 5 courses. These courses are Basic Pranic Healing, Advanced Pranic Healing, Psychotherapy Pranic Healing, Achieving Oneness with the Higher Soul, Arhatic Yoga.
We have these 5 levels. You can do these 10 days within a time span of 6 months.
So if you are above 16 years of age and can read and write, we welcome you with open arms to join our courses and become a healer.
In 27 years, to be in so many countries worldwide is not an easy feat, which is why we say manifest your greatness. The ability to conquer the world will come when you become an Arhatic Yogi and you have the power of the soul to do this.
If you're looking for answers, if you're seeking for more out of life, come and try it out. It will change your life.
Our aim: to have one healer in every family, so that the family and then the society, nation and the world is at peace.